Finding a new sofa is never easy. Something Sarah Ryan experiences as she's sitting in her old one at night, going through the latest Design and Home magazine on her iPad to get some inspiration. Her husband Frank thinks the old sofa works fine and has for 10 years. Sarah knows that's the problem. Since they're hosting an anniversary party for family and friends, Sarah has finally convinced Frank to upgrade to something more modern. While reading about a celebrity's newly redesigned home, she sees an ad for a Winston Furnishings sofa that she's been eyeing for a while. She clicks the ad and lands in the sofa section of the Winston Furnishings website. Sarah is already a big fan and has bought from the site before. She logs in and is welcomed with her name and a tally of her loyalty points. Sarah values design, but is concerned about color and fabric. With an energetic 5-year-old, she doesn't want leather, so she compares materials and, more importantly, how to clean them. She views a few sofas in different colors by zooming and rotating to see them from every angle. Sarah narrows her favorites to 3 different models and saves them to her wish list. She also adds her 2 reminders to her task list: redoing the living room for her anniversary party and fixing up her kitchen to host a summer cookout. Sarah then notices that she can create and customize her own virtual room. She decides to try it and puts one of her favorite sofas in the room, adds a recommended lamp, and finds a side table to match. Then she tries her other 2 sofa choices. When she's done, she publishes her room to the Winston Furnishings Concepts and Ideas page, a forum where she can get feedback from people with similar tastes and view their rooms for inspiration. She still wants opinions from her friends, so she connects to Facebook and shares the room on her wall. After all, it's great to get insights from people who actually know her and understand the needs of her young family. Just before Sarah logs off, she sees that Winston Furnishings has also released a new mobile app that offers furniture planning checklists, decorating tips, and even helpful hints to kid-proof the 3 sofas on her wish list. She immediately downloads the app. She knows it'll come in handy for redecorating the kitchen, too. The next day, Sarah is riding the bus to work and browsing the web on her iPhone. She spots an outdoor ad for Winston Furnishings and is reminded about the app she downloaded yesterday. When she opens it, she sees that all her information is saved: her login details, her wish list, and her custom room. Now she's even more interested, so she checks the availability of the sofas. One is out of stock until April, but 2 others are available now at the store near her. Sarah wants to confirm that the sofas will still be there when she visits the store, so she begins a live chat with a Winston Furnishings customer service representative. The representative already knows who she is and the sofas she's interested in. After a quick chat, she sets up an appointment to come into the store and explore all her options. The next day, Sarah meets with the sales associate at the store. The associate already has her lifestyle information and her design, fabric, and color preferences readily accessible. She tries out both sofas for comfort and style, visualizing them in her living room. The associate brings up Sarah's customized virtual room and makes a few suggestions for accessories. The recommended side table and lamp look great with the sofas she selects, so she adds those to her purchase. Her billing information is already authorized from her previous purchase at Winston Furnishings, so the checkout process is seamless and fast. The points from the purchase are automatically added to her loyalty program account. Sarah had forgotten about the points, so she thanks the associate for the reminder and leaves the store happy. A few days later, Sarah is home and working on her computer. She gets an email alert from Winston Furnishings. The message says that her sofa, lamp, and side table are right on schedule for delivery. She realizes that she has a big meeting at work on the scheduled delivery date. She can't miss it, so she logs in to her Winston Furnishings account and reschedules the delivery for the following week. It's a good thing the sales associate at the store put her down as preferred status for delivery. The change only takes a few minutes. The new sofa arrives with her side table and lamp, and Sarah loves the way it all brings the room together. But after a few days, she starts to notice the sofa isn't as soft as she thought it would be, and posts her thoughts on Facebook. Winston Furnishings immediately responds to her post and assures her that they'll look into the situation. Just 5 minutes later, she gets another response informing her that other customers have experienced this too, but not to worry. The fabric will actually soften with time. The post also gives her tips on which type of cleanser is best to use for any spills or stains. Sarah is so pleased with the prompt response and support that she posts a thank you note on Winston Furnishings' Facebook wall. Winston Furnishings returns the thank you by inviting Sarah to an in-store VIP kitchen event. A week later at the kitchen event, Sarah wanders around and spots a new lamp she's interested in. Next to the lamp is a digital screen with a QR code she can use with the Winston Furnishings mobile app. She scans it for product information and unlocks a special discount on the lamp. Sarah smiles and heads to the kitchen utilities section to watch the cooking demo and download mobile recipes. All this shopping is making Sarah hungry, so she goes to the store's cafe to grab a quick snack. To her surprise, the sign there tells her that she can pay with loyalty points for her food. Sarah decides she has to try this. Sarah is relaxing on her sofa, which is starting to soften up nicely, and begins thinking about her new kitchen project. Because of the positive, personalized experience she's had with Winston Furnishings, she knows exactly where to go for inspiration and ideas. She starts to dream of beautiful sinks, furniture, and appliances, and then goes back to the Winston Furnishings site to begin crafting her ideal kitchen.